Well, my system's all back up and running now, and I ran my Windows performance score, and as I predicted, it's 7.5. I'm really happy with it. It's quite zippy now. In fact, let's see. Okay, I just wanted to do a little, as I said earlier, a little benchmark to show you where I'm performing now. As you can see, there's my frames per second. Well, I thought I'd just wrap up this this upgrade video. Of course, there's not much to show here. This is how it looks all back together with the case running and my MMC center running and everything installed. It's running great. I didn't have to go through the hassle of reloading Windows 7. I was able to just upgrade it and let it detect the new hardware and load the new drivers. I have spent, several hours or last couple of days kind of tweaking a few things to get it the way I want it, but all in all, it was pretty painless upgrade. Really more responsive. It's quicker. It's the fastest PC I've ever had. Temperatures are running great as far as my new water cooler. They're running about 70 degrees Celsius. 70 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, but 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's running cool. Can't complain. It's quiet. Really haven't had a whole lot of issues with it. Looking back at the upgrade, I think the things I really gained is I gained SATA 3, more throughput for my SSD drive. My old motherboard did not have USB 3.0 support, so I gained that. The board's performing awesome, processor's performing awesome, system's good. The extra memory is definitely going to help me with, I had 6 before and I got 8 gig now, so it's going to definitely help as far as rendering and stuff like that on the videos. I've already played with it a little bit and tell a lot of difference on that. So for a $500 upgrade, I'm really happy, and I figure it this way, I'm good for at least several years now. And as they get more applications that can utilize the 8-core processor, I'll probably really gain even more performance out of it. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Have a good one.